Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Cement Factory by Vider on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on 4 fields, and this little factory is under factories. There it is, $30,000 to purchase. So, 30,000 liter capacity of stones, and you make, or you can make, cement bricks, cement bags, and roof plates, which I have all turned on. It's not the fastest production, but it's a small production for small productions. It's small. So we have produced, I ran it for 1 month already, cement bags. And we have not yet achieved roof plates or bricks. That'll going to take another probably 2 months. So it's a little bit slower than the bags. The bags 120, the other ones are 48 cycles per month. And that's about it. Input stuff goes there. We'll show you that. So if you just want a little production there and you got some stones and you want to make some product, either you're building a construction or you just want to make product to sell. It's a nice, simple, little compact factory. There it is. There's the stones going in. And there you have it. That's it. Cement factory. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.